Top 3 tips to make your import-export business profitable. Are you looking to start your own import-export business? It's a good idea. The world is more open than ever before. But are you unsure of how to get started with your import-export business? Here we are going to share the top 3 tips which will make your import-export business profitable. Tip 1. Find the best products at the best price. It's extremely important to know from where to buy your products at the best price. Do research and find the best reliable supplier who can fulfill your demand within your budget. Tip 2. Be aware of trade rules and regulations. It's absolutely important to be aware of terms involved in trading, that is, Incoterms 2020. By understanding these terms, you are protecting your goods and covering your risk. Tip 3. Know more about trade finance. If you are facing lack of cash funds or bank facilities, then a trade finance provider outside the bank can help you. So, before starting your import-export business, it's a must to know about your financial planning for your importation. If you need any further assistance in starting your import or export business, you can contact us at any time. We can support you by providing the best advice and also will help you to provide appropriate trade finance support on behalf of your company at zero collateral. For more info, email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 971-455-19699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.